Morris keeps pretending he's got a sore foot, so I give him some food. And that's the little baby there at the back. Where's the other baby gone? There's two babies. Have you got a sore foot, Morris? Have you got a sore foot? Hello, little chicken. Hello, little chicken. There's some seed on the ground. There's some bird seed there. There's lots of worms. There's lots of worms in the ground. It's been raining. You need to teach your babies to get worms, don't you? You need to teach them to get worms. Oh, have you got a sore foot too? Have you? What's the matter? What's the matter? Are you hungry? Huh? You make me feel so guilty. Morris. I'm glad you found a wife though, Morris. Hey. There's a runt. This one's foraging for its own food, which is good. You're clever. You're clever. But you're demanding to be fed, aren't you? Hmm? So the siblings are fighting already. He thinks that's a worm, it's a stick. Bless his heart. So one of them's getting fed, that one's getting fed more than this one. But this one's more self-sufficient probably because he has to fight for his food. Morris. And as for this little one, these little ones here, the miners feed off, they feed off this tree, they love it. Oh, it's starting to rain.